Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this AINUOSHI cross pendant necklace. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So in today's review, I actually want to show you exactly how it comes and how you will receive it if you order this product. So as you can see, it comes in a little plastic bag like this. I'm going to go ahead and take out everything from the bag and show you. As you can see, we have the necklace here. It comes in a nice black box. Take a look, and it has the branding right here in the front with some gold letters. Go ahead and open it up. So inside you will receive your necklace. On the inside, as you can see, it has a nice pink velvet interior. It does have the brand right here. Then for the necklace, it does have the little hooks. You can go ahead and place the necklace on here. Go ahead and remove that, as you could see. So if you are gifting this to somebody, then I would highly recommend take it out of the plastic baggie and set it up like this. You could go ahead and gift it to somebody. This is perfect for Christmas, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, a birthday gift, or even for yourself. Let me go ahead and take this necklace out. It comes in a little plastic baggie like this as well. So let's go ahead and check out the necklace. Okay, so you do want to be careful when you take it out of the packaging. It might have tangled a little bit through shipping, but it was very, very easy to take apart. As you can see, I have it here now. I will be giving you a closer look just so you can take a look and see what this necklace looks like. I do like that it has the infinity symbol and the cross. It just dangles through it. This is a 16 to 20-inch necklace, so you could make it longer or shorter. Maybe give you a close-up on that. It does have this little type of clasp, and this is a sterling silver necklace. It is a $9.25. Before I give you a closer look, I do want to show you that it does have the GRA Moissanite report, and it also gives you this little card. It kind of lets you know exactly what GRA is and what is moissanite. And on the inside, it's a detailed card just letting you know the type of moissanite and the type of grading scale, characteristics, the type of cut. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera around and give you a closer look on this beautiful necklace so you could see for yourself. All right, so here we have the necklace. As you can see, it has a cross. It's a cross necklace. I do like the chain. It is very, very dainty. So if you like dainty small chains, then this is beautiful. So as you can see, the cross comes through the infinity symbol. The infinity symbol does have the little moissanite stud right there, and you see these little ones running across one of the sides of the infinity symbol. Here is the cross. Such a beautiful necklace. And again, like I mentioned, the cross runs through here. Look at that. To adjust the sizing on this necklace, you could go ahead and just clasp it a little bit closer to make it shorter or longer. All right, so let's go ahead and try it on. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I'm going to give you a closer look. As you can see, the infinity with the cross dangling down. Such a nice necklace. You can make it longer or shorter. Wanted to give you a closer look as to what that necklace looks like on. I personally like the daintiness of the necklace. The necklace itself is so nice. It's so lightweight, very, very nice. It does not pull down on my neck. I love the infinity symbol with the cross going through. Such a beautiful necklace. This necklace is available in a variety of styles. So if the infinity and the cross are not to your liking, don't worry, because there is many styles to choose from. So if you've been looking for the perfect gift for a loved one or for yourself, then I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can check it out. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.